Hello, and welcome to PHOTOPLAY PAPER. I'm Amy Sonneman, and I get to spend a few minutes introducing you to the Little Boys Have Big Adventures collection designed by Michelle Coleman. This collection is filled with bold colors, fun patterns, stamps, coordinating dies, stencils, color me paper, ephemera, and a die paper. Let's take a look at each of the pieces in this collection. This is the collection kit. It includes a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet and 2 of each of these adorable pattern papers in this collection. The element sticker sheet includes over 50 stickers featuring fun titles, phrases, these adorable dinosaurs, cement trucks, a backhoe, a scooter, as well as lots of extra bits and pieces to include in your layouts or your paper crafting projects. The Best Kid Ever includes 2 4x6 cut-aparts, as well as 8 3x4 cut-aparts, perfect for adding to pocket pages, layouts, and cards. How fun are these adorable little cars, the little trucks, this adorable puppy, so cute for quickly making a fast and easy layout. The back side of this paper includes a fun alphabet with this beautiful navy background. The chomp paper features a host of dinosaurs munching on trucks and cars and anything that gets in their path. I really like the fun yellow and white geometric pattern on the back of this paper as well. You're a Star offers a more subtle star background pattern and a matching diagonal stripe on the back. Both patterns mix perfectly with all of the other elements in this collection. Great for a staple piece on a layout, a card, or any paper crafting project. Make Believe features bright elements mixed with this wonderful set of fonts. My favorite is Nap, Build, Destroy, and Repeat. How cute is that? I like the subtle plaid on the back for matting photos or toning down a more busy pattern. Big Adventures includes a beautiful navy background with an assortment of fun circles. Lots of bright colors, beautiful for mixing and matching as well. The two-tone green cross pattern on the back gives this collection a fun pop of color. The last paper in this collection is called Boys Love Trucks, which includes a ton of fun construction elements for digging, dumping, and pushing. The whimsical drawings are just precious. If you're looking for a great paper to use for journaling or matting photos, you might consider using the bold red paper with subtle hash marks in the background. There are a few additional papers in this collection which don't come inside of the collection kit that I want to show you next. The first one being the Color Me paper. And this gives your little hero 12 cut-apart pieces to color and use on layouts, as party activities, or even as decorations on a treat bag. The gray truck pattern on the back might be fun to use as a background for a layout or as a thank you card. The last paper in this collection is called the die paper, and this would be adorable for making invitations, thank you notes. Simply cut out the colored pictures that you see on the paper with the matching dies, which are sold separately to create quick and easy elements for cards, tags, treat bags, and so much more. Create birthday cards, party invitations with this fun and funky stamp set featuring this adorable dinosaur mixed with great titles and star icons. You have sayings such as "You are so awesome," "My boy," "Wild," "Little boy." There's also a little ball, 2 stars, and then this adorable little dinosaur who's eaten all kinds of trucks and transportation items. How cute is that? There's also a coordinating die set that is sold separately, so you can stamp, color, and cut all of your stamped images with this die cut set. This is the same set that works with the die paper. If you're having a party and you want to create little boy cards, you can do this as a make and take. Lots of fun options that are quick and easy to be able to use the die paper with the coordinating dies. As an added bonus, when you purchase the die papers, you get one ready to create card with an idea at the bottom and all of the pieces that you need to cut out to create this adorable card. So create it as it is or mix and match the sayings to make it your own. So the second you get your paper, you can cut out your pieces and have a quick and easy card ready to pop in the mail. Grab your inks and blending tools to create a fun star background on cards, layouts, and so much more. Add texture paste for an added hint of dimension to your mixed media projects with this wonderful star stencil. The last piece in this collection is the ephemera pack, which includes 26 whimsical icons including tickets, tabs, titles, banners, frames, phrases, and of course this adorable little puppy. Add foam tape to create 3D elements to layouts, cards, and folios. Thank you so much for stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper and spending time discovering the Little Boys Have Big Adventures collection. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a message, click the like button below, and share with a friend who might enjoy this collection. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.